Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Torchic from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw a cute Torchic, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. So I go up a nice round fat oval. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to go across nice and wide. So say about right here. Go ahead and draw another one. There. So now I have these two ovals in. I'm going to come to the top right here and draw a circle for highlight. And then at the bottom right here, I'm just going to give it a curve and then shade this part in. So if you want to add some color, you would do that right here. If not, you could just shade it all in black. So same thing on this side. There. So now that I have the eyes in, I'm just going to quickly go ahead, and since I have my marker here, I'm just going to go ahead and, oops, sorry, color in this spot right here, just so we can see a little bit better. So I'm just kind of using this blue, purplish blue. And then, so now that you have one layer in, your goal is to just make this bottom part the lightest and then the top part to fade into the black. So just go over it with your marker. One more layer, so same thing here, just to give it some gradation so the top will gradate into the black. So same thing here, just keep building it up so that it just gives the eye some color. There. Okay, so now that we have that done, let's see. Let's go ahead and we need to draw the mouth, so the beak. So I'm going to come in between the eyes and let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to draw a bump going up. So we're going to curve it towards the center and then come right back down. So it's this little hill. Now we're going to round this part off. Same thing here, round it off. And then we're going to bring it down. Open the mouth and connect it on the other side. There. Then let's come back inside towards the center of this curve. We're going to draw a soft curve all the way across. And then we're going to open it up. So just follow what you drew at the bottom and up. There. And then inside right here, just going to put a curve for a tongue. And I'll just go ahead and shade this all in black so you can see a little bit better. There. Aww. And then before I forget, I'm going to come above each eye and draw a soft curve. There. Then from there we need to draw this head, which is kind of like my dumpling shape. So I'm going to start just to make it easier, just say the center of my eye. I'm going to come out, say about right here. Same thing on the other side, same distance. And we're going to draw a curve all the way around. So I'm going to go up. It's going to slant in. It's a little bit narrower at the top. And let's see, let's keep going. To say about right there, which is my approximate my center, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're just going to bring it back down to that point. There. Then from there, let's bring it down. We're going to go around the eye. And then we're going to flatten it out towards the bottom. So let's see, about right here. Bring it in and finish it off. There, so it's this nice mochi shape, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw these beautiful feathers at the top. So find your center. So say about right here. I'm going to go up, say about right here. Give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw this leaf shape. So 2 curves coming down and then 2 on the side. And just bring it in. So same thing here. And then we need to draw a bigger version of this. So I'm just going to, well, you know what? It doesn't have to be exact. So I'm just going to come right about here. Go up. Come back into this space. Then draw a big one right in the center. And then another one. Just like the other side. And bring it in. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, make this a little bit fuller. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the bottom part here, the body. So this is my center. I'm going to come down right here. I'm going to go to the left a little bit, go to the right. And then right about here, I'm going to draw a curve coming down. So same thing on the other side. And then we're going to come out about right here. So same thing on the other side, but right there. And then in this space, we're just going to draw a bunch of zigzags to close it up. So we're going to come in, just come down a little bit, and zigzag all the way across. There. So same thing over here. And in. There's a little shawl. Then we have to draw the body, so which is nice and simple. So just imagine as if you're drawing this round body. So let's say about right here. Just gonna go ahead and draw a curve all the way across. So let's say about right here. Just gonna round this off. Same thing here. Flatten out the bottom and connect. Then the feet. So we're gonna come right here and here, nice and centered. So let's start on this one. We're just gonna come down, down, and then we're going to draw, come out right here, out, draw 1, and then this is going to come out, these claws, and 2, and then add a third one out here, 3, and then the back one. There. So hopefully I've helped you draw that a little bit simpler. So same thing here. Go out, and so this one is going to come right about here and go in, come out, and then one more towards here, and then a back one. There. Yay! And that is pretty much it, except I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Torchic from Pokemon. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out and I helped you draw Torchic fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.